guys, so we're going to work on adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. You'll notice that all of these problems have the same denominator, different numerators. So for this first one, I look at it and I think, are my denominators ever going to change? I ask myself, am I ever going to change how many pieces are in this whole? And the answer is no. So over here, I'm going to write 5. Now I look at my numerators, and this is where I add. There's 3 pieces here and 4 pieces here. 3 plus 4 would give me 7. Normally I've told you just to leave it as 7/5. But I want you from now on to change it to a mixed number. So remember, a mixed number has a whole number and a fraction. So I have to figure out how many wholes can fit into the 7. So how many 5s can fit in that 7. I know 1 5 can fit in, with 2 left over, and the denominator stays the same. So your answer would be 7/5 and 1 2/5 because they're the same thing. This is just the improper form. This is the mixed fraction form. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time reviewing how to do a mixed or the mixed number because I have a video on my Google Slides of how to do it. So if you don't remember, go back and watch that video. Okay. For this next one, we're subtracting. The denominator, once again, will always stay the same because it's going to keep those 8 pieces. So I'm going to write 8 over here. And I subtract. I have 7 pieces, and I'm subtracting 2 from it. So 7 minus 2 would give me 5/8. Since this is a proper fraction, meaning the numerator is smaller than the denominator, I don't have to do anything, and it stays the same. Okay, on this last one, I keep my denominator the same. It's always going to have 10 pieces in the whole. Okay, and then I add my numerator. I have 6 plus 8, and that would give me, I'm giving you guys a second to think about it. That would give me 14. So I have 14 tenths. Is 14 bigger than 10? Everyone should be saying, yes, Mrs. Anderson, it is. 14 is bigger than 10. So that makes it an improper fraction. And if it's improper, I want you to change it to a mixed number, just like we did up here. So I have to think, how many 10s can fit into 14? Well, I count on my fingers, 10. I can't go any further. So I still stay at 10. So that would mean there's 1 whole. And I have to think 14 minus 10 would give me 4 left over. And my denominator stays 10 because it's always going to have 10 pieces in the whole. So your answer would be 14 tenths, which turns into 1 4 tenths. So this is just a review. Remember, before I let you keep it improper, I want you to now change it into a mixed number. Get it? Got it? I hope you guys all said good. Okay, see you later, guys.